as the SG, we have been the first branch to be selected to issue the cards. And we want to say, comrade, at this day in 2019, the president was here on the 4th of April. This park was full. We know that the people of Diepsloot love the African National Congress. Lastly, comrade, that is here, our members of the branch, that when we were told that this program is coming to us, when the Secretary, Comrade Ntobisi, was in contact with you to say that please send the photos and the information that is needed by the National, and you complied, comrade. We are going to make sure that come 2026, comrade, we win this branch and this ward overwhelmingly. We know that in the zone, the zonal secretary, Comrade Mapula, he informed us that we are the most performing branch when it comes to the election. We got 75% among all the 12 branches in Zone 14. So this is the achievement of all volunteers of the ANC, all BD coordinators, and everyone in the branch corporate. It is not one person. It's all of us that have made sure that the African National Congress win overwhelmingly here. Viva ANC! Viva!
Viva! About the team here organizing department, Omandla bakhona la, ne branch executive yethu, ebikhulunyelwa yenye indoda la, kumsha gqithi bathi ngu-Bolsheviks. Viva Bolsheviks, viva!
Viva!
Viva Ward 95, viva!
Viva!
Comrades, we said to the NEC, we will come to Ward 95 and where? This week.
79.
And 79 in Ivory Park today, when we launched the member. Inda amakhadi amaningi kuma region for amalungu ombutho. Mawujoyina sikunikeza ikhadi. Ulithola ikhadi lakho la ebranchini. Mawungalitholi usitshele lapha eluthuli sikuthumelele lona. Siyakwazi ukukuthumelela ikhadi lideliverwe emnyango lapho ohlala khona ngqo. Elikhadi linzima ngendlela yokuthi it can't be duplicated. Ayofly by night le. Into enzima kabi le. Ngisho soyitholile ufanele uyibuyisele emuva. Awukwazi ukuyithatha elikhadi ulisebenzise on behalf of somebody. So siya improve again. We are improving indlela yokusebenza nokwakha umbutho. Ukuthi amalungu ombutho must have a right to ubulungu babo. They must not be dependent to somebody else. If you are a member of the ANC, you are a member not on behalf of somebody, on behalf of yourself. Siyazwana. So ilonto silungisayo ngalento yobulungu. So azawuphuma amakhadi ngendlela efanele. Siqala la namhlanje siya eIvory Park nala eGauteng yonke. Sifikelele kulo ndawo yokuthi mawuza ku BGM BPGM funeka ukhuphe ikhadi lakho. Ungabi dependent on somebody who might decide ukuthi you are not a member. Ngoba awuveli kwi-system. Uthola abantu be-ANC bayalwisana la, bayalwa ngamakhadi. Siyazwana maqabanga. So lento yobulungu benu ibaluleke gqithi. Comrade Mdu, lo msebenzi umkhulu suqala la. Umsebenzi kufanele sugade. Suwenze kahle ngoba ngalondlela sawube sikhulula amalungu ombutho ukuthi akhuleke ahlonipheke ngokuthi ubulungu babo banabo buphelele. I'm a member of the ANC ndinekhadi. Ikhadi lam